This is my new childhood trauma.
Hey, Dom, is that your alarm?
Yeah.
I just wanted to make sure everyone was okay, that was all.
It just randomly came on. I don't know why.
Is it a smoke alarm?
Yeah.
Yeah, have you got a broom to push the button?
Huh? Yeah.
Get a broom and just push the button on it.
Huh?
Get a broom and there's a button on the smoke alarm, just
Yeah.
press the button.
But it's not working.
Oh, isn't it?
Yeah. Just trying.
We were just making sure you were alright. Yeah. We can hear it out there and we're thinking, oh, gee, we're people okay.
Done something.
That's electrical.
Okay.
Turn the mains off. Turn the mains off.
Yeah, I found it.
Oh my god, why is it burning?
I don't know.
Why is the toilet paper burning?
Okay.
Something caught on fire with the candle.
Okay.
Oh,
Right, yeah.
it was a candle.
Okay. We've got a button.
I've been pressing it. It won't turn
Which
off.
is your main one?
I have no idea.
Put some fans on or something because you can still see smoke from there. There you go.
Yeah, I will.
Alright.
Turn all the fans on, Ava.
Okay.
Alright.
Oh, it's one right there. Never mind. Every time I went near smoke alarm. Oh. In Dad's room.
Yeah.
Yeah, I can tell.
Oh, when did he light a candle? Oh, he must have left it on before he went to work. Far out.
I'm crouching
Every fan
down.
on in the whole house.
Yeah, I did
Turn
that.
every fan on.
Yeah, I did that.
Oh.
I turned Xavier's fan on. I turned my fan on.
Candle before fucking work.
Right room fan. I had to turn the fan on really quickly because there was smoke alarms right there.
Yeah.
It irritated my ears a lot. And even if I went far from the smoke alarms, my ears would be irritated.
Idiot.
Yeah, just crouch down when you go near. I recommend you just stay away from.
Did you open the back door as well?
Oh yeah. One sec.
Yeah, all windows open.
Yep. Oh my god. My ears are straight up irritated. How am I not dead? old. And I'm turning till 1. That's the fastest speed. No one understands this house but me. We could. Why? There's smoke like everywhere, so I have to do this. Use a blanket to warm this.
I need to stop it from coming out of the bedroom bit because it's too much. Fucking way too much.
I agree.
Oh my god.
And it's going into your room too. I don't know. Woken up from my sleep. Oh yeah.
Don't put it in the bin at the front, so it doesn't make it worse.
Okay.
Thank you. Wow. Holy shit. The red one down the front. Thank you, children. Bloody hell. Oh my god.
I don't care. So stressful. I agree.
Hey?
Yeah, I got waken up by an alarm, all because of candle. No, Dad's always chilling, just like going to work.
Huh?
Just makes us a cup of coffee, drinks it, not even that fast, and then he just dresses up and goes to work. No rush. Like every time I see him sometimes. window up and if I open my water bottle. Stay away smoke.
There's breeze coming right through now.
Mm-hmm.
I don't like having the garage door open though.
I also called that trash bag you gave me knowing what burnt that almost burnt the house was in there. I know the thing, the candle thing.
Yeah, the
That,
candle.
yeah. I know that you put it in a trash bag and gave it to me.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because I was like, because I'm like, the smoke, we want,
Yeah.
don't want more smoke.
Yeah. And when I was like looking for the bin, I called it fire starter. Yeah, but it's true.
Lucky for the guys next door, like who are doing the landscaping or whatever they're doing.
Yeah. I didn't know how they could get me through. Irritation. Irritation. Actually, no, my ears were irritated at the time and thought my ears thought I was closer to the smoke line, like right under one. Why aren't there any smoke alarms in the kitchen?
Wow.
Wow.
I have no idea what's gonna get rid of that smell. That's gonna be so bad.
Can I smell it?
Hmm?
Can I smell it?
It's in the air.
It's worse over here. I know it's not worse over here.